Hi you guys, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Crissy. If you are new here, I just recently moved out of my 3-story townhome into a 1-story, 3-bedroom flat home, a residential home with my children, my boyfriend and his son, and we are going to be one big happy family in our new home. I have lots of organizing and decluttering videos coming your way. Lots of DIYs and lots of home decorating and making my house look nice and organized and decluttered, all for you guys coming your way. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you like anything including mom life, beauty, organizing, fashion, cooking, cleaning, all of those things, all of the above. Definitely subscribe to my channel. So during the filming of this video, we were in our home for 3 days and you guys were still unpacking U-Hauls, we're still unpacking storages, and we are still doing all the things that include moving. So if you didn't know, me and my boyfriend did decide to move in together. We have just shared a 1-year anniversary on the 6th. We moved in on the 7th, and we are just hoping that this is a forever type of thing. We love each other, and we figured what better way to start our 1-year life together than by moving in together. We were together every day anyways. We spent every waking moment together. If he was at work, he would come over right after work and spend the night and eat dinner with us and do all the things. So we decided to, hey, let's save on some bills and move in together. So we got this beautiful home, and he has been putting in so much work and busting his butt to get the storages and the U-Hauls all undone and all decluttered and everything put into the house. So if you guys want to shout out Lee down in the comment section, go for it, because he's been such a blessing to me and my family, and we could not appreciate him more. So during this video, I did want to go ahead and address some issues that I'm having over in my comment section. I feel like I cannot win with you guys, and I feel like no matter what I do, a lot of you guys just genuinely aren't happy for me, and I don't understand what you're doing here watching my platform and watching my channel. I just can't imagine being so miserable in my own life that I would just sit around and watch someone that I'm not rooting for or that I don't want to win and that I just despise and just don't want to watch them. I don't know why I would be watching them. I just don't get it. Like, I genuinely don't get it. So when I had disclaimed that I was moving out and moving into Ashley's house for a couple of weeks, a lot of you guys asked me, well, why didn't you move in with Lee? How come Lee didn't offer for you to live at his house? How come you're not staying with Lee if his lease is up a whole month after yours? That would have been the best decision for you to go with your boyfriend and stay in his big old house. Well, behind the scenes, I did not want to go and live with Lee and his dad because his dad is older and I thought that would be uncomfortable for me. And Ashley's my family and I wanted to go and live with her. And everything worked out great. And then now that me and Lee are living together, you guys are all saying, well, that's too early. 1 year's not good enough to know anyone. That's not enough time. So at first it's like, why don't you move in with Lee? And then I finally do move in with Lee. And now you guys are like, well, that's not enough time. That's too soon. So I just figured I cannot win with you guys, and that's just something that I really wanted to address, is just that, I don't know, I don't get it. I just can't win. If you love me, love me. If you don't, peace. Like, don't watch my channel, don't engage, don't comment, don't try to put me down, don't try to hurt my feelings, because it's not gonna work, guys. I am a grown adult and I did what is best for me and my family, which was moving in and starting a new chapter in my life with the man that I love and his son. So if you're rooting for me, show me a heart down below in the comments. And if you're here for us, show us any color heart in the comments, because if I got you, we got each other. Love you guys so much for being here, and I love all of my positive influenced supporters and subscribers. I love you guys. Don't know what I would do without you guys, and I am totally here for it.
'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back.
I know I've had ups and downs on my channel, and I really strive myself for having a really positively influenced channel and a really wholesome, healthy channel for you guys to be able to watch while your children are in the same room and your kiddos are in the same room, and you don't have to turn the volume down. There's no cussing in my channel. There's no vulgar commenting or anything like that. This is just a channel full of people supporting people, women supporting women, the few men that watch my channel supporting men, and everyone just all loving each other. One love, supporting each other, having great days and enjoying their life and enjoying this beautiful time we have here on this earth, and knowing that we're all going to be okay. There were times in my life where you guys saw me struggling, but I am so grateful for the ones that are still here with me through the times of struggle. Like, we all struggle in life. We all struggle in life. All of us have had problems in life. And I just hope you are not kicked when you're already down, because that feeling sucks. And on a lighter note, again, I just want to give grace and say thank you to everyone in my support system that has been there for me and has been rooting me on this whole time.
Here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you.
I recently did a full empty house tour over on my channel, and you guys can find it down below in the description box. If you are interested, I will have it linked. I'm going to be doing a full furnished house tour once we are done within the next month or so with decorating and having everything done inside of the home. I will have a video up. So again, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. You guys, there's boxes everywhere. If you've ever moved, or if you're in the middle of moving, you already know what's up. You already know what it's about. Like, it is what it is. There's going to be a mess for the first few weeks that you're moving, but everything is so rewarding in the end once you're all moved in and everything is unpacked, unpurged, and organized.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know.
Okay, here's our room. We got all the dressers, TVs, all that stuff, clothes to be hung up in here. Our bed is in another storage. The mattress and the king bed frame is in a different storage. So right now I'm going to turn on some YouTube and start hanging up my clothes.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have I feel about him. What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
If you are noticing, my gray sectional, my huge gray sectional is not in this home. We are ending up getting rid of it because it was just time for a new couch, and Lee had this beautiful new set that he got for his old house and he moved it into our new house. So instead of my gray sectional, we are now using Lee's new gray couches, and they're gorgeous and they match all of my decor perfectly. All I did was incorporate some of my bohemian boho pillows onto his couch, and everything looks great. We are putting up the cane cabinets. I'm so excited. I feel like once the cane cabinets came into the house, it kind of put everything together and it made everything look more cohesive and like we were getting things done. And it gave a cozy feeling of a home instead of a house, and I couldn't be any more excited than seeing those cane cabinets roll up into the house.
I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him.
If you've ever merged two households like me and Lee are doing, then you know that you end up with a lot of doubles and a lot of excess furniture. So we are ending up getting rid of a ton of furniture. My big screen TV that was in my living room in the 3-story townhouse is now going to go into our bedroom, and we are using Lee's huge TV for the living room. So we had so much stuff. We had extra couches and double coffee tables and double tables and double this and double that. So we did purge a lot, and you guys know I hate to get rid of stuff, but it feels so good. I'm going to give you guys a little glimpse of a patio and backyard DIY makeover. I'm so excited to show you guys. Lee's out there, of course, busting his butt and doing the dang thing with just putting everything together for me. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in the next video, which will be likely in the next day or two. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and bye, guys.